Hello, my name is Kathleen Tipton. I will be leading you through this tutorial designed to help you understand the meaning of academic integrity and its importance in your educational experience. Your commitment and determination have opened new opportunities for you, and you're now ready to embark on an exciting path at your institution. Today, you are a member of a new community of learners and scholars with a firm commitment to achieve the highest levels of intellectual growth and academic scholarship in an environment of fairness, trust, and mutual respect. Mark Twain once said, "If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything." Integrity, therefore, is the cornerstone of morality. It is about always being truthful to oneself and others. We have created this course to assist you in this transition by providing you with an in-depth understanding of various intricacies surrounding academic integrity and to empower you with the skills you need to efficiently inquire, explore, discuss, and debate as you engage others' ideas. This guided interactive tutorial begins by addressing various components of academic integrity and its role in the learning experience of every college student. A key component of this course is to understand the meaning and various forms of plagiarism, its causes, and the serious consequences of violating the honor code of your institution. Through focused lectures on the mechanics of quoting, paraphrasing, and summarizing, you will achieve a deeper understanding of the correct way to integrate outside sources in your writing as you draw on a wide range of academic sources. Additionally, this course will touch on other areas of intellectual property, such as copyright, fair use, and appropriation. Last but not least, we will conclude by sharing effective tips on how to improve your learning strategies and acquire strong research skills to help you stay organized and avoid inadvertent plagiarism. Upon completion of this course, you will learn what academic integrity means, why academic integrity is important in your educational experience, what constitutes a violation of academic integrity and the serious consequences of violating your institution's academic integrity policy, what plagiarism means and how to avoid it through an in-depth understanding of the principles of quoting, paraphrasing, and summarizing, the most common citation formats including MLA and APA, what intellectual property means and how to avoid intellectual property infringement, how to develop effective learning and research strategies to help you avoid inadvertent plagiarism. This course consists of multiple sections. At the end of each section, you will be presented with a short quiz to ensure you have properly understood the concepts covered in that section. While this assessment component does not count toward your final grade, we strongly recommend you achieve a minimum of 85% before you proceed to the next section. At the end of this course, you must complete a comprehensive exam and earn a passing grade of 85% or above in order to pass and receive your certificate of completion. Please note that the exam's passing grade may be decided by your institution. Integrity is our moral compass. It is about how we uphold human virtues that are very important to our existence as individuals and as members of a community that is bound by honor, decency, and trust. Academic integrity is the foundation of any higher learning, and we as educators and lifelong learners participating in this endeavor honor this noble principle as we work collaboratively to broaden our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. At Academic Plagiarism, we believe that understanding the meaning of plagiarism and mastering the principles of attribution are lifelong skills that will serve you through your academic journey and beyond.